Mamasita Nicoll. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget subscribe after you watching my video. Yes, so today I'm going to Botanical Gardens, Denver, Colorado. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and God bless. So guys, we are here in Denver Botanic Gardens. It's not really good day to day kasi super cold and I don't know. Akala ko kasi guys, maganda pumunta dito kasi nakalagay doon sa online yung mga flowers nila, super nice. So it's not really nice to visit here in winter time kasi yung mga flowers is dying. Much better in summertime to come here. I'm sure it's beautiful. So guys, we are here inside. Makikita nyo, meron silang parang sapa at saka mga bulaklak din. So, mas maganda pala dito sa loob kaysa labas kasi pag in outside kasi, namatay yung mga bulak nila. Pero okay lang kasi meron din naman silang kunting buhay na bulaklak sa loob ng building. At ito naman yung side view guys na view. Yes, the same lang, pero neat lang siya tingnan kasi may water. Water as life. Ganon. In this side, guys, they have any kind of flowers, but I don't know the name of this flower. And this one guys is like a little falls. They have little bit water, but it's not a lot. So labas na naman tayo ulit para makita natin, hanapin natin kung saan yung mga bulaklak na mga nilagay nila kasi nakalagay kasi sa online guys. They have a lot of flowers, they looks pretty, but in the winter time it's not really beautiful because all the flowers is died. Lakad tayo dito guys, para siyang cave. Diba? Tingnan nyo yan. It looks like a cave. Super neat. Guys, you can see the waterfalls in here. Look. Share ko sa inyo, diba? So guys, we need to go in another building kasi yung ibang flowers is nakaseparate. So we'll see what's in there again. So guys, they have some paintings here. Flowers paintings is really beautiful. They have any kind of paintings. Beautiful looking, huh?
outside in there, the perfect time to visit in that place is summertime. Yes, because they have a lot of flower in summertime. And this time is winter. They don't have many flowers to show, but it's okay. At least I can share some video for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new videos. So bye guys!